On 26 February 2019, Indian warplanes crossed the line of control, violating Pakistan's international borders in an unprovoked act of aggression. This unilateral act of Indian aggression flared up tensions between the two countries as the situation devolved into the most serious escalation in years. Pakistan stood resolute in its mission of finding peace in the region through dialogue and cooperation. However, the BJP government and the country's mainstream media subscribed to polarizing politics to divert the blame of rising violence in Indian-occupied Kashmir towards Pakistan, rather than taking responsibility for their unrelenting brutalities in Kashmir. While Indian pilots claimed to have conducted airstrikes against Pakistan, in reality, it was revealed that they dropped their payloads in an uninhabited wooded area near Balakot. In response to Indian aggression, Pakistan conducted a retaliatory airstrike in self-defense without violating Indian airspace, shooting down an Indian warplane as it entered Pakistani airspace and captured its pilot, Wing Commander Abhinandan Varthaman. The Pakistani leadership reiterated its firm commitment to de-escalating tensions and returned the pilot to India without any preconditions as a gesture of peace. Under Prime Minister Imran Khan's leadership, Pakistan has made repeated efforts to stabilize the region and pave the way for peace between the two neighbors. However, Narendra Modi and the BJP government's xenophobic politics continues to push India and the region into turmoil, placing the lives of over 1 billion people at risk for political gain.